Okay, there are some rubber bands, some rather stiff and stout, strong rubber bands in your kit for this week, in addition to some straws. So with the rubber bands, you can kind of make a guitar. So what I've done, I have this box actually, and you can a shoe box might work, but it's not maybe quite as strong. And I've stretched this rubber band around here to make it very stiff. Okay, so it's under a lot of tension. Now watch the frequency when I pluck it. Okay. Okay, so here's let me freeze it. Oh shoot. Okay, I've lost some of the tension on here. I want to keep it high tension. There. Okay, now you see all those repeated peaks? Those are all the different harmonics of this one string. So now, so this is a string guitar. Now, of course, on a piano or a violin or a guitar, you have strings that are much stronger than this one, so you can go up to much higher frequencies here. You can see the highest frequency here is only like 1 kilohertz, 1,000 hertz. So, this is a string instrument. And then also we'll demonstrate and then of course the sound instrument is like a flute. Okay, so again you can have a large straw and a small straw, and this will give you higher frequency, and this will give you a lower frequency. Okay, and then if we had for example little notches in here, then you would be able to close off close off the flute at certain places. You'd be able to close the end and so on, and you'll get different frequencies. And I wanted to find bigger straws than this, but this is maybe it's okay. Now watch what happens when I do. Let me get what the frequency this is. Okay, the difference of that is I'm closing off one end. Okay, as you close off one end, you change the frequencies, the standing wave frequencies in there. Let me try it with the actually it's a rather small piece of one of our PVC tube. Okay, maybe not so hard, not so easy to see. Okay, so that's it for string instruments and for wind instruments. And so now I'll go back and explain what we're doing here.